Do you want to delete a TikTok story before the 24-hour mark? You can easily remove unwanted posts and keep full control over your active content. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete a TikTok story before the 24-hour mark. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now on your profile, tap your profile picture to open your active story. Tap the three dots icon on the right side of the screen to open the options menu. From the menu options, tap Delete. A pop-up confirmation appears, confirm by tapping Delete again. Now, that story will be permanently removed from your profile immediately.